If you've just completed your Etihad cabin crew online assessment, you're probably wondering what happens next. Well, Etihad actually sends you a candidate feedback report, and this video, I'll show you exactly what it looks like, what it means, and how you should use it. After finishing the assessment, in a few minutes or hours, you'll receive an email from Etihad Airways. The Etihad Recruitment will acknowledge that you have completed the test and provide a button or link that says, View Report. When you click that, it takes you to your personal candidate feedback report. Now this report is completely personal and unique to you. It highlights your key strengths, the qualities that came out most strongly during the assessment you just did. Remember, it's not a ranking and it's not a comparison with other candidates. It's simply Etihad showing you what they believe are your strongest attributes. The report also has a very important note. It's not an indication of whether you've passed or failed, and it doesn't guarantee progression in the recruitment process. Instead, it's meant as a reference tool for you to help you better understand and leverage your strengths, both for this job and in your career overall. Everyone's report will look a little different, because the key strengths are completely personal for each applicant. But to be on the safe side, if your report highlights things like enjoying teamwork or going above and beyond for passengers, then you're definitely on the right track. Remember, there are many different strengths that can help you progress to the next stage, so don't worry if yours look a little different from someone else's. So, how do you use this report? Look at these strengths and think about how to showcase them in your upcoming interviews. Etihad has basically told you what they see as your natural abilities. Use that to your advantage when answering questions about yourself, customer service, or teamwork. If you've received your report, go through it carefully and start preparing your interview answers around those strengths. There is an option to print or download the report. You can also screenshot it. And if you want more guidance on Etihad's online assessments and interview tips, I've done several videos breaking it all down for you. So, go to my home screen and check out the Cabin Crew Guide playlist. Don't forget to subscribe for more cabin crew tips and insider updates. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.